everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. In case you are new to this channel, I upload videos every day at 7 pm. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. So since I was receiving a lot of requests about what content or topics you want to see, so I've decided that it would be convenient for you as well as for me if I give you every week's plan well in advance, so that you can also plan accordingly, and it would be better for me also to upload the videos in this sequence. On every Sunday, I'll be uploading the weekly schedule of videos that are going to come up next week. No subject related videos will be uploaded on Sunday, only the information video will be there. So I hope this will be more convenient to all of us. And for this week, here is the schedule which I'm sharing with you all. So on Monday, that is audit video will come. Topic would be SQC1 and SA 220. On the next day, that is on Tuesday, residential status topic from DT international taxation part, that would be uploaded. On the next day, Wednesday 19th of August, again audit topic, that is SA 300. On Friday, double taxation avoidance agreements would be uploaded, which is again a part of direct taxation international taxation module. And then I'll upload on Friday, that is 21st of August, audit May I'll upload SA 315. On 22nd of August, that is Saturday, primary and secondary adjustments, again topic of DT international taxation module, will be uploaded. So in this particular series or in this particular sequence, I will be uploading the videos every day. In case you want to see any specific topic only, you can refer to their videos, respective videos on the particular day which I upload. Or if you want to watch all the videos, you can watch these as many times or at whatever time which suits you, right? So I hope this will help all of us, because we'll have a plan in front of us that what topics we are going to cover this week and how they are going to be covered in which sequence. This will be helpful for all of us, right? So in case you have any suggestions or what should I do or what topics I should include in these videos, do let me know about it. I've received a request regarding Ind AS also, some topics of FR. Some people want me to upload. I will try that as well to include that in these videos. Also, I've received the request for some IDT topics, indirect taxation topics. I will try to cover up that as well. But what I need is some time. See, uploading a lot of videos, so many videos every day takes time. It takes a lot of efforts to make these videos. So all I need is your support and time from you as well, all, so that I can upload videos every day on a regular basis, and the topics you want me to upload, right? So all I need is just time, right? So this is the weekly schedule from 17th of August to 22nd of August. In case you want me to add something for the next week, do let me know about it. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with these videos in the coming week. Bye bye, take care.